All right, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and in today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of boat spotting at the Port of Miami, and that's coming up next. All right, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix. Now on this channel, we do a lot of aviation, a lot of plane spotting, and today we're going to try something new, but kind of on the same line. We're going to do a little bit of boat spotting. We had the opportunity to spend some time down in the Port of Miami, and I found it very relaxing. And I'm a chill kind of guy, so I just let the camera roll as we were downtown Miami and watched the boats come in and out. And now I'm going to let you take a look at it. Let's enjoy. Okay, there you have it. A little bit of boat spotting at the Port of Miami. We had a great vantage point and decided to take advantage of it and watch the boats pull in and out. It's like plane spotting, just at a quarter speed. It's much slower pace. I find it to be relaxing to just sit there and hear the breeze and the birds and watch the boats just slowly pull in and out of dock. They were mainly cruise ships that were coming in and out of the port of Miami, and you could hear them and see them, and you could see the tugboats and the police boats escorting them out of the channel of the port of Miami. So something new here on the channel, but it's kind of along the same lines as plane spotting, but just now out on the water. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. I found it very relaxing. All right, comment below. Tell me what you think of boat spotting, and don't forget, check the description for the final word on today's video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll catch you on the next one. This is 640 AM The Mix, New York's only home for house and techno and boating.